you hot, tired, and thirsty? Cool off with a super-duper Drooler's Delight ice cream soda. Good. Just listen to it fizzle. Get a Drooler's Delight now. Only 25 cents.
A Drooler's Delight? Oh, boy! That's for me. Hot diggity! A quarter. A Drooler's Delight for me. A Drooler's Delight for me. Hi-ho, and here I go to get a drink for me. Da-da-da-dee. My quarter! Hey, you dirty crook! Give me back my quarter!
Your quarter? My boy, you wound me deeply with them incinerations. Furthermore, it's besmirching to me integrity and veracity. And in conclusion, it's a dirty lie!
Oh, yeah? Okay, you big bully. Put him up. 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 Put him up.
Pardon, miss. Your kerchief?
Oh, thank you all so much. You are so good, man. You great, big, gorgeous hunk of buzzard, you.
Think nothing of it, baby. I'm a natural-born caballero rusticana. And since I'm also loaded with scratch, maybe you and me can go places and do things. What do you say, baby?
Ooh, a quarter.
Listen, baby, I don't want that measly old quarter. All I want is you. I'm mad about you, baby. Okay, Shuddy.